Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day trading today. You can see here my portfolio in the green today at $44.60, 0.22%, a little bit more with after hours trading. All three market indices today were up in the green as well. The NASDAQ up 1.0%, the Dow up about 50 points or so, 0.47%. The S&P 500 likewise up 0.43%. So very, very good day throughout the markets. As I've been scrolling through my portfolio, you can see here most stocks have been in the green, a few in the red, but for the most part, a lot of green throughout my portfolio. Of note, my PIMCO high income fund here came back a little bit over the last week or so, down $54 or so. If you can see on the bottom, right by the subscribe button, gives a dividend payment of $28 or so per month. So as soon as I capture that next dividend payment, I'll be in the green for this. And I did make actually quite a big play today with Ford Motor Company. It has an ex-dividend date coming up tomorrow, 0.15. That's about 5% or so dividend yield. So I went ahead and I bought a little bit too much here, but I bought 618 shares at $12.16 a share. To capture that dividend. It'll be about a $94 dividend, I believe, if I calculate that correctly. So hopefully I can unload this tomorrow. Typically, stocks like this will drop on their ex-dividend date by about the same amount as their dividend. Hopefully this doesn't drop as much. If it doesn't, I'll go ahead and get rid of this. I'll pick up that dividend and I'll have that cash available for other buys. So yeah, tell me what you think about my Ford play there. Did I kind of go over the edge with that buy there? Bought quite a bit of stock there, 618 shares, about $7,500 or so in total value to pick up that dividend. I'm not opposed to holding Ford for the long term either if I can't get rid of it. Like I said, typically these stocks will drop on their ex-dividend date. Hopefully Ford doesn't drop much more than 0.15 or so for that dividend payment, but if it does, I'm not opposed to holding this longer term. So yeah, just kind of wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on my portfolio, what I did today with the Ford Motor Company play. Hopefully I can get in and out with that, capture that dividend and get out, but like I said, typically these stocks drop a bit, so I might have to hold on to this for maybe a month or so. I'm not opposed to doing that. I'm really not opposed to holding this longer term. But again, tell me what you guys think about that play. So yeah, just wanted to jump in really briefly here, update you guys on my portfolio. As always, if you guys aren't a subscriber, if you like my videos, think about subscribing. Put a like, share my video, put a couple comments on my videos. Again, I'm all about learning, so if you guys have any advice for me, let me know. Let me know how your guys' portfolios did today. And let me know what you guys think about my Ford play here. I was a little bit indecisive this morning about that. Well, I actually lost some money. If I go back to Ford here, I should have jumped in a little bit earlier than I did. I would have gotten a little bit better return on my money. Overall, it was up $100 or so if I would have jumped in right off the bat. I got $20 or so out of that, so 20% of that 100, but it could have been a much, much better play today. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about my Ford Motor play.